Zapier tutorial. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and type in zappier.com. On the homepage, click Get Started for free. Enter your email, first name, and last name. Then click Get Started for free again. Next, create a password for your account. And when you're finished, click Get Started for free. After signing up, you'll be directed to the Zapier homepage. Click the plus icon and then click Discover. In here, you'll find many templates to choose from. Select one that suits your needs. Then, return to the plus icon and begin creating your own Zap by clicking here. You will first be asked to set up a trigger. For example, you can use Google Calendar event. Choose it and set up your trigger by following the steps provided. When done, click Continue. Next, set up your action. For this example, choose ClickUp. Define what you want the Zap to do using ClickUp and configure the action accordingly. Click Continue and choose to skip the test if desired. Now your Zap is fully created.